people tell me, why do I do this, Jeff? That's already a sample. That's bullshit. That statement makes 0 sense. What does this do? It makes it go from a spread of individuals to a spread of groups. Has nothing to do with if this is a sample or a population. Say, I don't give a shit. This is a spread for individuals. I need to make it a spread for groups of size 71 now. So you always have to do this adjustment. I don't care what standard deviation you know that's for individuals. I got to make it the one for groups. You guys get that? A little bit, maybe, not really. So I still have to do this. So let's see, where'd it go? Oh, right there. 2.25 divided by the square root of 71. What do you guys get? Say one more time. 267. And then I will very often just say Z star all the damn time. The formula is the same. Both Z and T are all about how many standard deviations away I am. So what's the formula for T star? It's going to be my data minus what we accept to be the middle divided by the standard deviation. And what do you guys get? Looks like it's going to be 2. Negative 2.62. Did we make it?
Yeah.
Yes, we totally did. If we didn't make it, the conclusion would say we have not found sufficient evidence to blah, blah, blah. We did make it. So we have found sufficient evidence to, and what was the claim? The high was the claim, right? So again, we're going to use this language. So we have found sufficient evidence to, how many dots in it? Support the claim that the assembly time has changed. Yes, that's sufficient. Oh my God. I kind of pushed you guys a bit. So go ahead and write that down, and then let's take a break. When we come back, I want to show you a few actual scientific journal write-ups, and you're going to recognize a lot of it, which is going to be kind of cool for you, hopefully. Yes? Same formula.
We're going over another.
Yeah, oh yeah.
section of this chapter.
Yeah, yep.